Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Installation of a new HVAC system in a 1,000 square foot home with a combination of a new central air conditioner unit, a new gas furnace, and the ductwork labor for your home. You could expect to pay in between $6,000 to $12,000 in total HVAC installation costs.
Take our lead.
What is ductless air conditioning? Ductless air conditioning is an HVAC system that cools an entire house like central air. However, it doesn't require ductwork and vents throughout the house. Instead, cool air travels through tubing and into units mounted on walls throughout the home.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.